Hey friends, starting 30th November, we have a new IPO in the market. It is the IPO of Star Health. By the way, it is Rakesh Jhunjhunwala backed company. So we'll quickly look at the business of the company, its promoters, key strength, future growth, key risk and financials. Then we'll look at the IPO details along with valuation. Finally, we'll conclude if this IPO is worth applying for or not. Alright, let's get started. Established in 2006, Star Health is in the business of health insurance and is consistently the largest health insurance provider in India in the private sector in last 3 years with current market share of 15.8% in the Indian health insurance in FY21. If we look at some of the data points, in FY21, Star Health has insured 20.5 million people, that is around 2 crore people with total GMP, that is gross written premium of 9,348.9 crore rupees. It operates in both retail, health and group health insurance category. In FY21, retail segment contributed 89.3% in total GWP and group insurance contributed 10.7% in total gross written premium. Company has a wide network of 4.6 lakh health insurance agent with 737 health insurance branches across country by FY21. Star Health also has a very large hospital network of 11,000 plus hospitals, out of which it has pre-agreed arrangement with 7,000 plus hospitals that also provide cashless facilities. If you look at the promoters of Star Health, it has 3 founders, your Venkatasamy Jagannathan and Subramanian Prakash and Anand Shankar Roy. Venkatasamy Jagannathan is the chairman and CEO and has over 47 years of experience in the health insurance industry. Prior to founding Star Health, he served as United India Insurance Company's chairman and managing director and is also serving on IRDAI Advisory Council. Then Subramanian Prakash is the managing director and has wide experience in health insurance industry, and prior to founding Star Health, he was a practicing general surgeon. Then Mr. Anand Shankar Roy is also the managing director and is an expert in the health insurance business with over 21 years of experience in health, non-life insurance and banking sector and manages the sales, distribution and marketing. So company has a competitive strength of strong distribution, large hospital network, reputed brand name and the largest private health insurance company in India. On top of this, the management is looking very experienced. Now, as far as competition is concerned, Star Health has strong competition from various companies including HDFC Ergo, New India Assurance, Max Bupa, Bajaj Alliance, ICICI Lombard, Tata AIG, Aditya Birla Health, Cholamandalam, Reliance General and so on. Even the new age fintech and insurtech companies have entered the health insurance business. So there is intense competition in health insurance space. If you look at the key risk, COVID has significantly affected their business. Due to COVID, there was a significant increase in the claims and that has badly impacted the profitability of the company. Although COVID has also resulted in increased awareness for health insurance. But any such calamity in the future poses significant risk for the company. Moreover, companies' product pricing significantly depend upon models to predict claim expenses and their frequency. Any failure to accurately estimate the incurred medical expenses or frequency of claim could impact the profitability of the company. If you look at the future growth, health insurance sector in India is highly underpenetrated. Many people do not have health insurance and those who have health insurance either do not cover their entire family or take a very small amount of health insurance. However, COVID has been an eye-opener for people and especially the young generation has now realized the importance of health insurance. On top of this, due to rising healthcare expenses, health insurance is a must for every individual. Just to give you an idea, India's health insurance penetration as percentage of GDP is just 0.4% in FY19, whereas US health insurance penetration as percentage of GDP is 4.1%. So there's a huge gap as compared to developed countries. As per research from CRISIL, the retail health insurance sector in India is expected to grow at a CAGR of 23% between 2021 and 2025. Star Health has been growing at a fast rate. Between FY19 and FY21, the retail health gross written premium grew at a CAGR of 32.5%. So key growth drivers for health insurance sector would be increasing awareness towards health insurance, rising income level to access quality healthcare, then increasing life expectancy and government focus on improving healthcare. Although I believe that going forward, digital would be a key differentiator in terms of optimizing the business process as compared to a pure play agent network. If you look at the revenues of the company, Star Health gross written premium has grown from 5,413 crore in FY19 to 9,348 crore in FY21 at a CAGR of 20%. Its profits have increased from 128 crore in FY19 to 268 crore in FY20. But due to COVID, the profit fell down in FY21 to minus 825 crore. In fact, company has posted H1 result and it has made a loss of 380 crore. If you look at the ROE, in FY20 before COVID, it had an ROE of 16.46%. But due to COVID, in FY21, its ROE became minus 23.69%. Company has negligible debt to equity of 0.07. Star Health IPO window is between 30th November to 2nd December and its price band is between 870 to 900 rupees. Face value of each share is rupees 10 and market lot is 16 share with minimum investment of 14,400 rupees. The IPO issue size is 7,249 crore. Out of this, there is a fresh issue of equity of rupees 2,000 crore and remaining 5,249 crore is offered for sale where promoters are diluting their stake. So majority of money is going in promoters' pocket. This rupees 2,000 crore raised from the IPO would be used to increase the capital base and maintain solvency levels. So there is a minimum solvency of 1.5 from IRDAI and Star Health has a solvency of 2.23 which is comfortable. At an upper price band of rupees 900, Star Health is launching the IPO at a total valuation of 54,600 crore. Now since the last 18 months, the earnings were negative, so we can't calculate the PE ratio. I did some research to understand the valuation and check the management video, but management said that the valuation has been decided by the bankers leading the IPO. So they did not have any answer on the valuation part. Now if you look at the listed peers, there is no single company in pure play health insurance in India. So we can't do the comparison. But 54,600 crore valuation looks very stressed, especially when the company has been in loss for last 18 months. Now there is no doubt that the future growth prospect of health insurance sector in India is bright on account of rising awareness towards health insurance, rising healthcare cost, need for quality healthcare and increasing life expectancy. Star Health has been the leader in private health insurance sector with strong brand name, strong distribution and experienced management. So clearly Star Health is looking fundamentally strong. Although company has made losses in last 18 months due to a surge in claims because of COVID. But this has also created more awareness towards health insurance and company's gross written premium is increasing at a good rate. However, Star Health has a strong competition from both private and public insurance companies in India. Finally, the valuation at which the company is launching its IPO is looking stretched at 54,600 crore. Even if you look at the grey market, there is hardly any premium on this. So I don't expect a good listing gain for this IPO. Moreover, considering the fact that the Indian stock market is in correction mode, it can also negatively impact this IPO listing. Having said this, you can certainly keep an eye on this stock post-listing and consider buying when it is available at better valuation in the future. But for now, I would avoid this IPO. Now, what is your take on this IPO? Let me know in the comments. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care.